Hi everyone, Ian Jules here with your February market update using January 2026 numbers from the Victoria Real Estate Board. January saw 339 properties sell across the Victoria region. That's about 20% fewer sales than January of last year and slightly lower than December. This lines up with what we've seen over the past couple of years, a more normal seasonal pace. Breaking that down, 109 condos sold, down roughly 25% year over year, and 153 single families homes sold, down about 21%. Buyers are still active, but they're more selective and taking their time. One of the most important changes this month is inventory. At the end of January, there were 2,624 active listings, up just over 3% from December and nearly 10% higher than this time last year. With more listings and fewer sales, the overall market is sitting right on the line between balanced and buyer leaning. That said, Victoria is made up of many micro markets. Some areas and property types remain balanced, while others are clearly shifting towards buyers. Those details matter. On pricing, the Victoria Core benchmark for single-family homes was $1,265,500. That's about 2.5% lower than January of 2025, but up from December, which tells us pricing is stabilizing rather than sliding. For condos, the benchmark came in at $537,800, about 1.5% lower year over year and slightly below December. This points to a market that's recalibrating, not falling apart. Homes that are priced correctly are still selling. Homes that aren't are taking much longer. If you're a buyer, today's inventory levels mean more choice and less pressure. If you're a seller, preparation, pricing, and strategy matter more than ever. Throughout the year, market trends are likely to be shaped by inventory levels, along with influences such as interest rates, global trade disputes, and consumer confidence. If you want to know how your specific neighborhood or building is performing, because that's where the real answers are, feel free to reach out anytime. Wyatt and I are always happy to break it down.